Hello, friends. It's January 2025, resolution season. I bet you have go to the gym or work out regularly on your list. Now, I'll give them credit. Gyms have done just a killer job convincing us that building muscles is key to attracting success. However, improving your physique is just one of the factors, and if that's all you've got, you're kidding yourself. Being physically fit might get you noticed, but how financially attractive are you? According to Bankrate's 2024 Emergency Fund Report, 27% of Americans between the ages of 18 and 35 have no savings at all. Zero. Right now, some of you are skipping leg day and financial literacy day. So if you're working on improving your life, this can really change your future. So let's make a resolution to start your financial workout plan. Step 1. Setting your goals is about deciding what your financial personal best is, realistically. Short term, do you have debt? If you have credit card debt or car loan debt, that is your first most pressing problem, and you need to get laser focused on getting out of debt. Next, how's your checkbook? Do you always have enough of a balance that you feel comfortable and confident? Do you have 6 months of expenses in a savings account? Pick one of these as your most immediate goal. Long term, are you saving? Are you putting away savings for your next car? Are you saving to invest from every paycheck? Are you harnessing the power of compound interest? You got to have a long-term view, knowing that when you retire, your money needs to be earning more than you can earn by trading your time for a paycheck. Step 2. Think of your budget as your training routine. This is not a one and done. You create a budget, then check back with it monthly, maybe more often. On your first day in the financial fitness gym, you're starting a realistic budget. We're finding out what your current pace is, even if it's a stretch goal to where you want to end up. Instead of weighing in and measuring your waist and your biceps, we're taking a complete inventory of your assets and liabilities. We're logging the balance of every account you have. We're noting whether you even have a savings account with $20 and a brokerage account with $100 invested in something. We need to give you a financial gym tour and introduce you to the equipment, the terminology, and the dreaded financial mirror. It's a really bad idea to compare yourself to others, but it's also important that you're strong enough to show up without feeling embarrassed or inadequate and face that mirror honestly. The toughest bodybuilder that's afraid to talk to a financial planner is at a disadvantage in life. Step 3. Getting started means building financial strength. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, the first thing we're going to do is build up your emergency fund first. Start slow, walk before you run, and this means giving yourself your first success. You need $1,000 in savings and then work it up to 6 months of expenses. All that does is make you bulletproof as you get ready to tackle some real adversity in life. As you start budgeting and beginning to save, you're also building up your financial muscles with some adult learning. Basic investing for young adults is not rocket science. Start with the basics. So when you do move up to working with compound interest, investing in the S&P 500, laddering CDs and high-yield savings accounts, you've already got the intellectual familiarity. Walking into the fitness gym for the first time, you didn't know completely what you were doing, so you were willing to learn. By your third visit, you were setting up the treadmill or the free weights yourself. This is no different. Step 4 is all about slow and steady improvement and avoiding injuries. Yep, we're talking about beefing up your emergency savings so you can stay out of debt. When you start becoming an effective Christian, the devil throws obstacles in your way, right? Well, the financial world is no different. When you start being able to do some serious tithing, some generous giving, he's going to introduce you to the temptation of credit card debt or car loans. Credit card debt is like junk food. Easy to consume, even easier to become fat and lazy and complacent, and then you have a real problem. Debt is really hard to burn off. So your best strategy to avoid debt is like the old saying, the best defense is a good offense. You're going to avoid debt by having a really solid financial plan that gets you where you want to go without using debt. So in 2025, if you're in debt, set a goal to get out of debt. If you don't have enough emergency savings, set a goal to protect yourself. If you don't invest regularly, set a goal to revisit your budget regularly until you do. And lastly, I want you to take this away. You're not stuck where you're at. Keep improving yourself. If your current budget is frustrating, don't give up. Right now, at this very moment, you are doing something about it. If you will continue to improve your knowledge and experience, you will improve your preparedness. You never know when those opportunities in life present themselves, so stay in shape mentally. Build your financial muscles as part of your other life goals. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Learn from the wisdom and experience of others. Committing to being financially successful in the future, you'll need to live a disciplined life, and it's entirely up to you. I'd appreciate your comments to help guide my further attempts at creating useful videos. I hope you thrive and prosper. I make these videos because I believe I succeed by helping you succeed. Thanks for watching.